Helo, Neath ydw I, a dwi'n cynorthwywyr dosbarth yn Ysgol Gymraeg Pontardawe. Dwi wedi bod yn gweithio fel cynorthwywyr dosbarth am 20 mlynedd ac yn fy swydd presennol am y 2 mlynedd diwetha. Cefais y swydd trwy edrych ar wefan Castell Neath a Talbot ar e-teach. Dwi'n hoffi fy swydd oherwydd mae'n rhoi cyfle i blant i ddatblygu o ddydd i ddydd a magu hyder. Rwy'n ffodus iawn i gael cefnogaeth wrth pennaeth yr ysgol ac hefyd staff yr ysgol. Mae'r cyrsiau Neath a Talbot yn cynnig i ni o safon uchel iawn. Drwy wneud y cyrsiau hyn, rydw i wedi bod yn ffodus iawn i wneud cyrsiau Elsa. Mae'r swydd yn gallu fod yn hyblyg iawn ac hefyd mae'n gwneud gwahaniaeth i blant yn yr ardal.
Hi, I'm Sasha and I'm a higher level teaching assistant in Abbey Primary School.
Hi there, I'm Kieran Morris. I'm 22 years old and I'm a teaching assistant at Ysgol Neath.
Hi, I'm Leanne Sandri and I work for Neath Talbot Council as a support worker and audiological technician.
Hello, my name is Diana Wanakram and I work for VLS, which is the Vulnerable Learner Service.
I've been working in Abbey Primary for over half my life. I didn't go to college. I wanted to do a vocational course instead. So I came to Abbey Primary on a placement and I never left.
I've been working at Ysgol Neath for around 2 years now. I got the job after I finished my sports science degree at Swansea University.
I've been in this current role working now 4 years coming June.
I have been working mainly in Sandfields Primary for almost 4 years now. The thing I love most about my job is the fact that you see the fruition of your labor term after term. You get to work with young minds, model them and support them to their formative years.
The thing I love the most about working in a school is definitely the children.
Progressing through is always a good point of the job.
Being able to support children and enable them to communicate and transition into schools and access the curriculum.
I have had amazing support to carry on my role, both from my manager and from the head teacher and staff in schools. I have been offered great opportunities to go on different projects and courses and training.
Since I've started, we've had the opportunities to go through a number of training, such as sensory circuits, safeguard training.
The things I love most about living in Neath Talbot is I live in a small community where there's lots of things on offer and support for the community.
The local history is very rich, which is why we love taking the children out on walks in the locality.
With my job, taking kids out to the park to give them life skills and stuff like that is always an amazing opportunity and it's great to see for them.
For anyone that is thinking about applying for a role as a teaching assistant,
go for it.
Just go for it.
Go for it.
Go for it because it is truly an impactful job that gives back so much to you.